Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Hello.
Hello, hello.
How you doing, man?
Good.
Could you turn down info real quick for us, man? Oh, wow, nice.
I'm from Team OSC, Knoxville, Tennessee, or
Okay.
Athens is where we're based out of.
Okay.
4 DC XL 15s, 2 base 8Ks.
Okay. Who built it?
I did all my own work.
Very
I did
nice.
My own paint job, everything.
Nice and sealed off all the way around.
Oh, yeah.
And it's probably sound quality too. You got
That's like a 157 on the meter.
very nice.
Headrest.
Okay. That's good. Wow. How do you deal with this with your bass?
It don't really bother nothing.
Nope.
I
Okay.
broke a couple of the clips that hold it in, but other than that, it's been okay.
Awesome. How's your electrical battery and alternator?
I have 80 amp hours Yinglong cells, and then I have a 270 CES alternator.
Okay. All right.
I got a couple bad subs. I'm getting ready to recount them when I get
Really?
back. Yeah, I was testing for the show and done something to hurt them, so they started smelling a little bit. So.
That thing's really demo like you said, it's mid 50s on right in the headrest. That hits you hard.
It's turned at 40 and it peaks at 46.
46.
So it gets
Okay.
you right here in the chest.
Yes. Yeah. Awesome. Can I see the amps and all in the back?
Yeah.
Thank you for the demo.
The amps are right here.
Oh, they are? Okay.
On the seats.
Oh, wow. Okay. Nice. And these are wired to what?
Half ohm on each side.
Okay.
This one's half ohm for these two, and that's half ohm for them two.
How much space is your box, cubic wise?
I think it's close to 18 or 20 cubes. I'm thinking. Don't hold me to that, but I'm thinking. I can't remember. It's been a while since I built all this.
And you got a little port divider there, so it brings the pressure this way. Okay. Nice.
It pushes everything out, hopefully.
You really utilized your space.
Oh, yeah.
Is there a way I can see the back? That looks really.
But
it's all right.
There. Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
And you got your your speaker amps right here.
Yeah, and there's my battery.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you for showing me.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
I've been trying to see you at the show.
Yes, sir. Wow. This doesn't, I'm surprised it doesn't broken with that much pressure.
It moves quite a bit.
Yeah.
It's holding in there.
Yes, sir. All right, man. Love to hear it.
Front gone.
Oh yeah. I got a couple of bad subs. I'm getting ready to recount them when I get back. Yeah. I was testing for the show and done something to hurt them, so they started smelling a little bit. So.
Yeah, that thing's really demo like you said, it's mid 50s on right in the headrest. That hits you hard.
It's turned at 40 and it peaks at 46.
46.
So it gets
okay.
You right here in the chest.
Yes. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.